cherubs. I'm going to go over what you are going to be doing today. All right, so first of all, you need to do your DOL. And this is the DOL that I will be grading for the grade book. So please type out your answers. Make sure and do all 4 sentences and submit it. And if you hear that, that is my humidifier in the background. All right. The next thing, I think this will be really fun. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. But you need to choose the type of severe weather, learn about it, and then I would like for you to do a clipped video on it. So you can go here. I have instructions right there of exactly what you need to do. And also I have an example. I have my video here for you to watch, as well as underneath here, this is a review on how to use clips. I actually used a combination of clips and chatter picks, so you might want to consider that because that was kind of fun to do. All right, you need to take your spelling test. You could do that on Spelling City if you want. If you want, because I noticed some of you guys did not have the best spelling tests last week on Spelling City. So, and I do still have last week's words up because there's still some people who have not taken the test. So if you have not taken last week's test, you need to do that as well. But you can either take the spelling test on there, or you can listen to me reading the words on here. And you can do it on a regular piece of paper at home and then take a picture of it and submit it to be graded. So that is spelling. For math, we're going to continue on with some shape stuff. And you're going to do this assignment called a clean cut. And on it, what you're going to do is you need to complete each one of these shapes. So you need to make this triangle. You have the bottom part, and you got to figure out what you need to complete it. It should not be hard. I thought this would be an interesting way to look at shapes and stuff. So you can either draw it in the box right here, or you can use the numbers I have done here and write the numbers in the box. Either one is fine. So make sure and submit that. And then you have UA, which you need to go to Mrs. Krug's Canvas page. She also made a, I have a typo there I need to fix. They're not 2 eyes in Flipgrid. Oh, I'm so silly. Anyways, but she made a Flipgrid for you guys to add music to, which is really cool. But the link that she sent did not work. So that's why I do not have it on here. It should probably be on her Canvas page. So if I can get it, I will also add it to this page. But right now, I do not have it. So anyways, but that is what you will be doing today. Please make sure and check that you have done everything for each day. I am in the process of trying to grade things. I'm quite behind on that. But I have a spreadsheet I sent to your parents, and that will let them know, and you know, when they show it to you, what has been finished and what has not been finished. Okay, please also go back and check over your work, because a lot of times I put comments because there are things that you're missing. For instance, like the math sheet from, what was it, Wednesday, I think it was. I'm going to go back here to show you. Yes, this math sheet. All right, there are 2 pages to it. There's this page, and there is this page. You have to do both pages. Also, you need to, like it says right on here, you need to please show your work and write out your math problems. Do not type them out. Please write them out. What I mean by showing your work is, on this, you're going to do a math problem. It's going to be 22 plus 19. 9, 10, 11, 2, 3, 4, 41. You have to show all of this stuff on your math problem. Okay? Showing your work means that you're showing the math problem that you're doing. Notice that I wrote it. Is it great writing? No, but I could read it. Don't type it because you cannot show your regrouping when you're typing it. Okay? So, anyways, I wrote that note on a lot of people's stuff. Like, I think there were only like 3 or 4 people who actually got that assignment done. So, please go back and check over your work. That would be awesome. And do today's work. And I will be, when you're done with your clips video and you've submitted it, I'll be putting those, I'll be uploading those so that everyone can see them, and I'll put them out there for you. So, anyways, that is what you're doing today. Have a wonderful day. And if I don't talk to you before spring break, have a wonderful spring break. And I'll put on here or on the classroom app if if I end up doing another GIMP kit. So it just kind of depends kind of how I feel. I've had a headache all day, actually all week. So anyway, so it depends on whether or not we do a GIMP kit. So I might try and do that. If I do, I'll put it on the classroom app, and I would imagine it'd probably be around around 1:30 like we did today. So anyways, have a good day. Get your work done. Love you guys. Bye.